2012 GMC Yukon 6.0 liter V8. Really nice car. Denali. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wise into a single. We got a third converter right there. Then what we put on it is a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. Part number 71419, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. We always have to add a little piece in there because that muffler is gigantic over there. And always recommend that you do tune on it to get the 4-cylinder mode taken out, because it will drone if you don't. And there'll be a link in the description for the tip and the Flow FX. It's a 5-inch black roll tip right there. And there's the resonator. We took the resonator and the muffler out. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, please subscribe. Perfect. Again. There's sound decibels on it. Again. Right at 102. That's perfect. Usually drones like at 110. So try it over on the freeway. You might like it. You never know. But get that tuner. I think you'll be even happier. You'll see power difference.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
That's clean. GMC Yukon Denali. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Yukon Denali 6.0 liter.